Gracie,
What, Mummy?
would you like to help us put some food in our brand new Hisense Fridge Freezer?
Yeah, please, Mummy.
What do you want to do first?
And the freezer.
This is the fridge.
Thank you, Daddy. Oh, the freezer.
Let's put the grapes and the fruit and vegetables and stuff. You want it to stay crisp?
Another one.
And then one more in that one.
Pink milk. I like pink milk. Ring,
I love it.
No, I know. I think it's a freezer one.
This is a super freezer. Is this a bit of fridge or a freezer?
Freezer.
It's a freezer, but we could make it into a fridge, couldn't we? What's it like?
No. Strawberry.
Strawberry. Not meant to be
Magic
strawberry.
fridge.